Hello everyone, I am Sakshi. Welcome to this video. Today we are diving into world of the cryptography and network security. Don't worry, it is going to be very simple and we will discuss more about in the two basic terms what is plain text and simple text. In this video we will learn what is plain text and simple text, their disadvantage, advantage and some application. Let's start with some example. Uh, First is a Caesar cipher example. Caesar cipher is one of the simplest method. Guys, it is the simplest method for and oldest also for the encryption techniques. So first we will understand what is encryption. Encryption is nothing but the algorithm performs for the transformation, and description is and description decryption is always the reverse, run reverse in the uh, encryption. Okay, so what is case cipher? So in the example of case cipher, it is the play, present plain text and cipher text. Okay, so it steps for this case cipher, making a case cipher with the help of plain text and ciphertext. First, understand the idea for the case ciphertext. Substitution the cipher, where the each letter of the is shifted certain number placed down the alphabet. For example, shifted 3. So in this example, the plain text it is the hello and ciphertext is KHOOR. So how become it's happen? First is the H, and this is the H. It is replaced shifted by the 3 1 2 3, and the K is come with the help of the plain text converted into ciphertext. So do like all these terms or all this plain text. We, we will come out the final result is a KHOOR for with the helping shifted the three alphabets. Okay, so we will actually see what is the plain text. So अब हमने एक एग्जांपल देखा प्लेन टेक्स्ट और साइफर टेक्स्ट का, हम कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं प्लेन टेक्स्ट को साइफर टेक्स्ट में. सो अब हम समझेंगे actually what is the plain text. So actually what is plain text? It is nothing but the common cryptographic terms used to encrypt the data known as a plain text. Then unencrypted data, encryption process and decryption process. ये तो हमने देखा है. encryption process मतलब क्या है? encryption process ये एक प्रोसेस है जिसमें performs various substitution and transformation. और description is a vice versa for the encryption method. Then next is the application for this in plain text. It is nothing the reversing messages, then include that distracting the multimedia. Then it is the command line interface for the plain text. Next is the advantages and disadvantages. There are many advantage and disadvantage for the plain text. I added only two. So what is two advantages and disadvantages? Let's see. There are small in the terms of the memory size. So this we saw the message of the plain text is very small and it is easy to open different platforms. It is also easy to open any different platforms. Then advantage of this plain text is also it is the performed as encrypted data and unformatted nature for the natural language processing. The next is a disadvantage. It is the text is a too simple. हमने देखा अभी टेक्स्ट क्या होता है, सिंपल होता, टू सिंपल होता है. सो लैक ऑफ द इंटीग्रिटी मैसेज. सो इसमें इंटीग्रिटी मैसेज नहीं होता, ये इसका डिसएडवांटेजेस है. तो क्या है इसमें इंटीग्रिटी मैटर क्या है, like. So next is a what is ciphertext. Then the ciphertext is nothing the encryption performed on the plain text. हमने देखा पहले अगर हमको plain text पता हो तो ही हम ciphertext निकाल सकते हैं. So हम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं ciphertext is dependent on the plain text also. Okay, so it is a core concept. Core concepts nothing but the 1 minute. Yes, कोर कंसेप्ट ये क्या है, कोर कंसेप्ट है साइफर टेक्स्ट. हाँ, Okay, it is a scrambled and unreadable version of the original data. So ये रीड नहीं कर सकता, जैसे हम प्लेन टेक्स्ट रीड कर सकते हो, ये नहीं रीड, अनरीडेबल होता है ये हम ह्यूमन के लिए। जो साइफर टेक्स्ट का जो ओरिजिनल डेटा रहता है वो अनरीडेबल होता है। सो नेक्स्ट इज application. So what is applications for the ciphertext? Application for ciphertext is secure messaging. So in secure messaging we can apps like WhatsApp and single end-to-end encryption. Then online banking, हम सब लोग ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग करते होंगे, तो इट इज अ प्रोटेक्ट्स फाइनेंशियल ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. So ciphertext is protects our financial transcription. Then e-commerce. E-commerce is the ensure that the stored files protected from unauthorized access. जो अनऑथराइज्ड एक्सेस होती है, जो कि हमें अभी हैकिंग का ट्रेंड बोले या फिर हम बोले तो हैकिंग बहुत चल रहा है, तो उसके उसके वजह से हमें बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है। तो ये साइफर टेक्स्ट क्या करता है, उसे ई कॉमर्स से उसे सिक्योर मैसेजिंग रखता है। Mm, okay, so next is the cloud storage. The cloud storage is ensures that stored files are protected from unauthorized access. So it is protected from unauthorized access, and then email security is also tools generated. Then next is a important application. What it is a VPNs. VPNs is a virtual private networks that encrypts the traffic for the privacy and the security for ciphertext. So we'll move next. Advantages and disadvantages. So we will here we I added only two. So there are so many advantages and disadvantages for ciphertext also. So first is the confidentiality. What is first advantage of ciphertext? It is a confidentiality. Confidentiality is nothing but the protects data from unauthorized access. Then data integrity. So what is data integrity? Data integrity is the helps to ensure the information that we alert the tempered. Okay. Then secure communication, then commits and authentication is also the advantages for the ciphertext. The next is disadvantages. Key management is a disadvantages. What is key management? Disadvantages. So securing and distributing the encryption key can be complex. इसमें की मैनेजमेंट बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, क्योंकि हमें ओरिजिनल डेटा पता नहीं होता, वो हाइड होता है। फिर वो साइफरटेक्स्ट क्या करता है, सिक्योर करता है। ओके, so next is the data recovery challenge. There are so many data recovery challenge in the ciphertext. So so it is all about the plain text and ciphertext. Thank you guys for joining with me. So thank you. We will see in next video more about the cryptography and security. Bye.